That kind of photo's going to get kind of boring after a while. If you wanted the better quality, then get my other camera. I'll take it with that. It's much better quality photo.